Changes in muscular adaptations. Muscle fiber type. For example, aerobic activities such as jogging and cycling with low to moderate intensity are highly dependent on slow-twitch fibers, and these fibers become larger in response to a training stimulus compared to similar fast-twitch fibers. As for the size of muscle fiber, it's not important for endurance athletes, but it's important for activities that require a high degree of strength accompanied by speed and strength, such as sprinting and weightlifting. By the way, weightlifting, not bodybuilding. This is weightlifting, and this is bodybuilding. Capillary supply. One of the most important adaptations for endurance training is the increase in the number of capillaries that surround each muscle fiber. So if your training is endurance, you will get more capillaries, and this allows more exchange of heat and nutrients between the blood and working muscle fibers. And this maintains a suitable environment for energy production and muscle contraction. Myoglobin content. When oxygen enters the muscle fiber, it combines with myoglobin, and myoglobin contains iron and works to transport oxygen molecules from the cell membrane to the mitochondria. Slow-twitch fibers contain large amount of myoglobin, which gives these fibers their red appearance because myoglobin is a pigment that turns red when combined with oxygen. And the fast-twitch fibers' energy is produced largely anaerobic, and therefore they contain small amounts of myoglobin, which gives them a whiter color. So if your training is endurance, the content of myoglobin in your muscles will increase significantly. Mitochondrial function. Mitochondria improve the capacity of muscle fibers to produce adenosine triphosphate, and the ability to use oxygen and produce adenosine triphosphate through oxidation depends on the number and size and efficiency of muscle mitochondria, and endurance training improve all of that. Oxidative enzymes. There is a correlation between the work of mitochondria and oxidative enzymes, because the adenosine triphosphate production depends on the work of mitochondrial enzymes, and the increase in the activity of oxidative enzyme resulting from endurance training also increases the number and size of muscle mitochondria and improves adenosine triphosphate production. Thanks for watching.